One of the most common questions asked by Japanese learners is when do you use wa and when do you use ga? This is something we can't really explain easily. There are research papers and books published about this topic, so it's quite involved. However, we can describe when to use ga versus wa in narrow categories. Natural phenomena is one of such categories where ga is exclusively used. This short video explains various natural phenomena we use in everyday Japanese. Furu means to fall, specifically used when something falls from the sky. We use this verb for snow, rain, and hail. It's used when not a single object but lots of small scattering things falling down from the sky. It's almost exclusively used for natural phenomena, and we use ga. For example, 雪が降ります. It will snow. 雨が降ります. It will rain. When you want to say currently something is happening, you need to use ています form. あられが降っています. Hail is falling. Thunder and lightning are also natural phenomena, and we use が. 雷が鳴っています. It's thundering. 鳴る means that something is making a noise. 雷が落ちました. Thunderstruck. When a thunder strikes, we use 落ちる, which means to fall, but 落ちる can be used for anything that falls from anywhere. 稲妻が光ります. Lightning flashes. 稲妻 means lightning, and we usually use 光る, which means to shine or to flash. Inazuma has an interesting word origin. Ina means rice plant, and zuma uses the kanji character for wife, but it actually means a husband here. So why is it written as a husband of rice plant? It's because it was believed that thunder would make the rice plant pregnant and make more rice. Inazuma ga hashirimasu. Lightning occurs. Hashiru means to run, and we use this often with lightning as well. There are many natural disasters happen in Japan. Here are some commonly occurring events. 地震が起こります. Earthquake will occur. 地震 is earthquake, and it often happens in Japan. We use 起こる means to occur with the particle が. 台風が来ます. Typhoon will come. We often use 来る means to come to say something comes, and we use が. 嵐が来ます. A storm will come. Here are other examples. 霧がかかります. Fog forms. 虹がかかります. A rainbow appears. 月が出ました. The moon appeared. 日が昇りました. The sun rose. 日が沈みました. The sun set. As you can see, you will use が for all these sentences. As you can see, remember that when you are talking about natural phenomena, use が. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. You can also participate in daily quizzes from the community section. If you have any requests for Japanese grammar to be covered, please leave your comments in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.